Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rosanna. So in today's video, girl, I have been dying and waiting for the Christian Audette and Mel Thompson Kitty lip liner. And yes, it finally arrived. But before we get into that video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. You could also ring the bell. It will give you notifications of when I post, which is every Tuesday and every Saturday between 1 and 2-ish. I don't know why I always would think about it, between 1 and 2-ish. And yeah, so ring the bell, tell your friends, like, make comments, help a newbie out. I would so appreciate appreciate it, and thank you so much for your support. So yes, about Christian Audette and Mel Thompson, I will tell you, I picked up the Beauty lipstick a while ago, a few months ago. I absolutely adore it. First of all, yeah, girl, I love that magnetic closure. But anyway, it is so beautiful. I am a nudie girl through and through. I like my nudes like more on the pinky side as opposed to like a brown side, like a pinky mauve. It's, to me, it is perfection. Let me just swatch this for you real quick. Oh, it is so pretty. It is just so beautiful, in my opinion. So pretty. So of course I have been eyeballing that freaking liner, and every time I go on it, it'll come on soon. So recently, and I can't remember which video it was, I may have even made a comment, and she and Mel commented back saying it's on its way. And sure enough, maybe like a week later, I snatched it. Not only did I snatch one, I snatched two. Not only did I snatch two, I also snatched another Beauty lipstick. So that is what we're going to be doing today. It's going to be like a super quick video, and I don't know when this is going to go up, but and I really don't know when this is going to go up, but Mel did just post something that she just needed a quick little break. And you know, I totally believe in like signs, and you know, the universe, God, earth, whatever you want to call it, I call him God, to just send me some blessings and signs. So sure enough, she needed a break, absolutely. And then all of a sudden, like, all these beautiful things came. I did order the Charlotte Tilbury quads that she recommended. I also did a video on that. I'm not sure if it's going to be out yet before or after this, but if it is before, I will link that below. So, and that was about Mel's recommendation. A week later, her products came to me. So I just wanted to wish you blessings, Mel, and prayers, and whatever you need, how much ever time you need. Girl, you do you, and you just take care of yourself, because you are the most important person to yourself. I know, I'm a mom. I get it. The kids, the husbands, work. I get that. But girl, you take care of you. We are here for you, and we are here to support you. So yes, I have been dying to put these two on my lipperoonie. I'm not going to open up this one because, yeah, this is going to be my backup, but I am going to, of course, use that. And let me just take a look at the liner. It is gorgeous. Here it is right over here. It is so beautiful. So these are going to be the combinations that I'm going to use. And if my thoughts are correct, I think it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. So like I said, I already swatched the lip smack and stick. I'm going to just put, perfect. Look how beautiful that looks. I love it. So I am going to get a mirror. Girl, what did you put? You know what? I'll just use this big one right here. Hello. We'll just use the big one. And as I'm looking in the mirror, I want to put on a little bit more blush. I think I still have, isn't that, you know, hello? We're not talking about blush, but, you know, I'm looking in the finder, and I'm looking in the monitor, and I think I still have some blush on this from when I used it before. Pretty. Yeah. Okay, cool. So let me just, and I do like to overline my upper lip just a little bit. This is so friggin' beautiful. I'm so excited. Yep. Okay, just that swipe right there. Okay, see, so just that swipe right there, I'm already in love. It's creamy, but not too creamy. You know how like some lip liners, they're like really creamy and it almost kind of fades away into the background. This is beautiful. Now, let me see, is this like a sharpen? Let me, I didn't even like, let me see. Yeah, it is. You have to sharpen it, so you need a sharpener, which is fine with me. I don't care if it's a retractable sharpener, pencil. It doesn't matter to me as long as it's a good product. As long as it's a good product. Wow. That is so freaking beautiful. Exactly what I expected. Okay, cool. Now I'm going to just use my fingertip just to shear out any harsh lines. Like I don't want to fill in my lip because I really want to use the lipstick with it. But I don't want like that harsh line. That is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so now we're going to go in with Beauty. It's so freaking pretty. So pretty. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Look how gorgeous. You know what? I want to come close to you. I may have a mustache. I'm not really sure, but I want to get close. That is so gorgeous. Hold on a second. It's so, so beautiful. Like, I am going to put on a lip gloss on it because I will tell you, if you guys don't watch my videos, but I think you should. I think you should. I am a lip glossy kind of girl. I'm not a lipstick girl, but I have been trying. That's why I've been stepping out and buying some lipsticks. This is so beautiful. It is so creamy. It's not like, even though it looks matte. It looks matte, but can you see ever so slightly a little bit of glistening? So it's not like a lip gloss, obviously. But it doesn't have that matte feel, but it kind of looks matte. You know what I'm trying to say? Ooh, this is so beautiful. So I'm going to pull back just so you could see it. Isn't that beautiful? And then I'm going to pull closer. Wah, 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 wah. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, and by the way, everything that I have on my face will be linked below. And oh yeah, by the way, everything that I have on my face will be linked below. And yes, so here it is. This is a very cute little short little video on these two amazing products. However long it was sold out, this kitten is however long, probably, and then some that I have been waiting for it. The most perfect, in my opinion, the most perfect pink nude combination I have ever put on these lips. They are gorgeous. Mel, and I know these have been out for a while, but still, I know you're having a tough time. We love you and we support you. And I just want to thank you so much for these beautiful, beautiful products. And of course, I wish you well. And yep, that's it, guys. This is my video. This is my cute little video on these beautiful, beautiful Christian Audette and Mel Thompson collaboration of this beautiful beauty lipstick and this kitten lip liner. Gorgeous. You guys, that is it. That is my cute little short video. You guys be good to each other, love each other, and have a great, great day. Bye.